I mean, there is no problem as such, but I don't know why Aam Aadmi took a press today and gave a premature statement, because India Alliance such a talks are going on at national level, and Azuni, I mean, with India Alliance, what is going to be the proposition? Because it's not only in Goa, सगळ्या दुसऱ्या राज्याचे डिस्कशन चालू आहा. And I think आमचे इंडिया अलायन्स कोऑर्डिनेशन टीम आसा, सो they will speak on this. I think at state level, speaking on this topic, I don't want to really talk much on this.
पण जेन्ना साऊथ गोवा सीट ते डिक्लेअर करता आमी पळयला की साऊथ गोवा हो सतत काँग्रेस
न्ही, तेच आय वॉज रियली सरप्रायज दॅट वाय आम आदमी declared the seat where we have a already sitting MP. If they had declared the other parliamentary seat where BJP has a MP, I mean, I would have, but I don't know why, what made them declare where already India Alliance partneracho MP खंय आसा थंय. But as I said, that India Alliance is happening not at state level. This is an alliance which is happening at the national level, where everybody, all these other political parties have come together to defeat the BJP. The ultimate aim and motto is what? आज जी देशाची जनता आसा, दे आर, जी अक्षरशः आज पीडित आहा, जे नरेंद्र मोदीच्या सरकारान लोकांक जी आश्वासनां दिल्ली तातूंतलें एकूय फुलफील जालें ना. आज गोंयच्या जनतेचो युवा आज बेरोजगारीक पीडित आहा. आज प्रत्येक गोंयकार आज म्हारगायेचेर पीडित आहा. जे सरकारान सांगिल्लें काला धन हाडटा म्हणून, तें आज काला धन आयिल्लें ना. प्लस ताज्या भोंवतणी आज गोल्ड स्मगलींग चालू आहा गोंयांत. सो आय थिंक ऑल दीज इश्यूज which are serious issues of the state and the center, our aim is to defeat the BJP. So regarding India Alliance which is happening, I think that national level that clarity will come.
पण ते आप प्रेझेंट भितर म्हणटा की तुमच्या पासून कम्युनिकेशन सारकें जायना, तुमी डिले करता आनी हार्डली टायम म्हणलेले आसा
30 दीस ट्राय करता.
सो कॅम्पेनिंग
No, I think probably he is not talking at the state level. He is talking about the national level, because at state level coordination कशें जायना. स्टेट लेवलाचेर आमचें आमरे डिस्कशन चालू आहा. स्पोकन टू हिम, वी हॅव डिस्कस्ड इन असेंब्ली पयर जी शेनवारा सोंपल्या, तातूंत यू हॅव सीन देर आवर MLAs also, their MLAs also, they are meeting regularly. I think probably what he is trying to say is at national level, our in charge and whatever views had to be discussed about the state, that we have discussed, and I think let the clarity come from the national level, that what is going to be the step ahead of the India Alliance.
टायम हो तो मेजर फॅक्टर म्हणटा. हार्डली टायम सुद्दां तुमी अजून डिले करता आनी मागीर
ना, तशें ना तें. सी तशें ना. सी वी हॅव अ सिटींग MP who is there in South Goa. I mean, who is moving around. I mean, if you see of late last 1-2 महिन्यांक various programs he has held. I mean, in Savarde constituency, all other constituencies we are moving. Also at state level, आमचे पक्षाचें काम on organization level is going on. So it's not that it is getting delayed. I mean, see, this call regarding the alliance is a national level alliance which has to happen. पक्षातर्फे आमचें जें काम जावपाक जाय तें चालू आहा.
नाव तेंच्यांनी सजेस्ट केलें आनी तें नाव तेंच्यांनी डिक्लेअर केलें. सो जेन्ना सिनियर लेवल्सान जेन्ना नाव डिक्लेअर करता तेन्ना तुमच्या सिनियर्सांचें कितें आसता?
न्ही रे, सिनियर लेवल म्हणल्यार ही इज देअर सिटींग MLA न्हू. In that way I can also say I have got 3 MLA, so should you expect? तशें जायना न्ही तें. See, that is the call they have taken at their party level. आमचे जे आमच्या पार्टीचे जे आसा सिनियर लेवल, I mean that we had our Pradesh election committee meeting also. We had invited applications, so our applications also have come. Now I have not gone and prematurely declared my candidature, no. See, when there are talks which are going on, it is not correct on my part also to go and just declare it.
आमी बघ, जेन्ना तुमचो सिटींग MP आसतना तुमी अदर्स कितें कॅन्डिडेट्सांचें नांव घेता, बिकॉज ही इज नॉट कॅपेबल.
No, see, that I have not declared. That voluntarily they have declared. So how can I answer on his behalf? Why they have declared? That you should have asked him, no? They should have asked the Aam Aadmi Party.
त्यांच्यानी म्हणलं की आम्ही डिसिजन घेतला पण अजून डिस्कशन
ना कसले डिसिजन? What I saw some few bite of, that bite was, they said that discussions are still going on.
Oh,
So when discussions are going on. Once discussion is concluded, then we have to declare. No?
आम्ही म्हणतात अमित बाब ज्यांना ते म्हणतात डिस्कशन इज गोइंग ऑन, पण ज्यांना त्यांच्यानी कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर केलं तर काही डिस्कशन केले तुमच्या वांगडा?
No. They have declared on their own. So this question they will probably able to answer. I can't answer on their behalf.
पण म्हाका एक सांगा सिंपल, सपोज तुमचे इंडिया एजंट सीट शेअरिंग जाले आणि ते म्हणटा की आम्ही ऑलरेडी सावथाक डिक्लेअर केला, तुमचो कॅन्डिडेट सावथाक आसून तुम्ही नॉर्थाक कॅन्डिडेट घ्या. सो नॉर्थाक
तसले काय डिस्कशन जाऊ.
पण जाले
जाले तर
No,
सपोज फ्युचर
see, this discussion, and again I'm telling you, Ajir, at national level, there is a discussion which is going on about the alliance. Correct? Now, I cannot prematurely answer on these questions. Discussions are going on. They also have said that discussions are going on. So let the discussion come to some conclusion, and then I think it will be right to discuss on that.
पण त्यांनी एक डिक्लेअर केले पण कॅन्डिडेट ती प्री मॅच्युअर स्टेप.
Now, so that I think you will have to ask them. Because see, when discussions are going on, I think that discussion has to come to some conclusion, and then we have to go about it.
अमित बाब, आता पालेकरान म्हटलं आम्ही ऑन इंडिया अलायन्साच्या इंटरेस्टाचेर आमी हो डिसिजन घेतला आणि काँग्रेसीक आमी एक्सपेक्ट करता सपोर्ट करता. तुमचे कितें स्टँड
Now see, today the question is about the defeating the BJP at national level. This is not an assembly election where we are fighting. I would have answered your question. Today, the need of the hour is that we have to defeat the BJP. Now, defeat BJP करपाक, Baba, what are the parameters? What are the conditions? That openly I can't tell you. But then we have discussed it. So I think that discussion, let it come to some conclusion. Then I think I will be able to answer on that.
तुमकां दिसना तुमचें काम इझी केलां कशें आम आदमी पार्टीन साधवन हे करून इंडिया अलायन्साचे ओवरऑल
नाही कशें काम इजी केलं म्हणून आमचो ऑलरेडी सिटींग MP आहा मरे थंय. आय वूड हॅव फेल्ट हॅप्पी इफ दे हॅड डिक्लेअर्ड इन नॉर्थ गोवा.
हां डिक्लेअर ओके.
No. See, I am saying, what was the need to declare in South Goa is what I am trying to tell you.
डिक्लेअर करता डिफिकल्ट केला म्हणटा तुमकां.
No, difficult अशें ना. I mean, I don't know what is their political strategy behind this. कितें? अरे आमचे कडेन दोनी कडेन आसा, but what I am trying, no, what I am see, this is their point of view which they have probably tried to say that this is our option. I mean, if it had to be Aam Aadmi, then Venzi Vegas might be our candidate. That is what probably they are trying to say. That is what I said. We really don't know what is Aam Aadmi's political strategy. We all have come together to defeat the BJP. That is the sole motto. Okay, this alliance, all these political parties who have come together, intention is to defeat the BJP. So let the discussions which are going on conclude.
पण इथून लीड घेवपा खातीर झगडी जाता कशें दिसता? काँग्रेस लीड घेतले काय आप लीड
आप लीड घेता?
See, तो प्रश्नच येना हांगा, because we already have a sitting MP in the South Goa. Okay, so there is no question of somebody trying to throw one umpireship. That's not the point. I think at national level, let it get concluded, and then I think we can discuss this.